I'm Catherine Clark. I'm the Flying Start Manager for the Vale of Glamorgan Council. So Wernick have been really accommodating. We have to adhere to certain regulations and specifications for childcare, especially for ages 2 to 3. So Wernick have taken all that on board. They've listened to our requests. We've talked through certain ideas and thoughts that we've also had to do with the plans. Seamless process throughout. So they've been really accommodating and great communication. So we really like the low-level windows, which is a feature we hadn't considered previously. It allows the children to look out onto the school grounds. It makes the building really light and airy, and it's a feature that we want to continue throughout our other projects. I would recommend Wernick for future school builds and childcare builds, as the process has been really seamless, great communication, so I would recommend Wernick.
I'm John Guy, Head Teacher of Dinas Powys Primary School. So we're going to use these as classrooms, and they're replacing 2 older classrooms that we had. The features that we really like about these buildings are the fact that the toilets in them, which the old buildings didn't. They've got climate control, you've got a much more modern feel, and certainly the appearance of the buildings, very aesthetically pleasing, and lots of natural light coming in, and the landscaping outside. So we're really looking forward to it, and it's going to be a significant improvement on what we had before, and a huge benefit to the school. So the local authority decided on the modular building, but having said that, in my previous school we had one built by Wernick, and it's amazing how flexible the design can be, and the modern feel about them, and the speed at which they can be built as well. So that, again, it's a local authority decision on who was actually appointed as the contractor, but I have to say that I've worked with Wernick twice now, in my previous school and here, and they are very amenable, very understanding that they're working in a school environment, and recognise the additional challenges that poses to the school and the contractors. So Wernick's, the staff we've had on site here have been really amenable, very supportive, understanding of the school, very professional, and we've been kept up to date with really good information. So I would recommend to any school working with Wernick if they were looking for new buildings. We're delighted with the product we've got and the professionalism that Wernick have shown.